Okay, welcome everyone. Basically, what we're going to do is we've had two conferences going back to back. So this is going to be the transition between Environment Camp, which has been going on all of yesterday and half of today. And that's just PhD students from all over the world studying environmental economics from different vantage points. And both conferences are put on by a program called the Economics of Energy and Environment, which Claire Balboni, who's here, and I direct, but also involving POID, which John Van Reen directs, IGC, and most importantly, GSOS, who's going to be funding the Environmental Populism Conference. So what we're going to do is we're going to move. I should say that both conferences are largely, if not almost wholly, organized by PhD students from the LSE. So thank you to all of them. We'll thank you properly at dinner. So the plan for the environmental populism, we're going to have a kind of transition zone, which is going to involve Rohini Pandey, who's a professor at Yale, and Torsten Persson, who's a professor at IAS in Stockholm. And what I wanted to do is to first introduce the chair to both sessions, which is Andrew Steer. And Andrew Steer is kind of special to me anyway, because he was the civil servant, or one of the civil servants at DFID when the International Growth Center was set up. And then he went on to work on climate in the World Bank, headed up the World Resources Institute, and then the Bezos Earth Fund, which is funding the setting up of an IGC office in India at the moment. So Andrew will chair. And I think given the type and size of the audience, what I would recommend, if you're okay, Torsten and Rohini, if people have questions, to just jump in as they see fit. So have a kind of a seminar type format, if that works. Or you prefer a little bit at the end? Okay, so for the keynote, perhaps we'll do 40 minutes and then questions. Good. I think I will then pass it to Andrew, who will say something about GSOS. Thank you.